Older vehicles often have perfectly good sound systems, but lack modern wireless connectivity. This Bluetooth 6.0 AUX adapter upgrades your car without replacing the stereo, delivering a stable connection with low audio latency and support for up to a 100-foot wireless range. Dual microphones with noise-canceling technology help make hands-free calls much clearer, while dedicated control buttons and automatic pairing keep your attention on the road. Driving with snow piled on your roof or frozen mirrors isn't just inconvenient, it can also reduce visibility. This 27-inch winter tool gives you the reach to clear windshields, mirrors, hoods, and roof panels more efficiently. Built with a durable ABS shaft, cold-resistant materials rated down to -40 degrees Fahrenheit, and a cushioned EVA grip, it's designed to perform reliably through harsh winter conditions. Moisture and UV rays are the silent killers of RV electronics, often leaving campers stranded with a dead tongue jack. Bouge RV addresses this with a universal fit cover designed to slide over virtually any standard electric jack head on the market. Cut from breathable, yet waterproof, 600D Oxford fabric, it seals out environmental wear without trapping damaging condensation inside the housing. Road trippers will especially appreciate the dual-height utility rings, which offer a clean, off-the-ground storage spot for heavy towing chains. It's a small, highly practical upgrade that ensures your setup functions flawlessly every time you unhitch. Loose or corroded battery terminals can lead to hard starts and frustrating electrical problems. These 4-way battery terminal connectors simplify cable management while improving electrical contact with corrosion-resistant brass and steel construction. Clearly marked positive and negative terminals reduce installation mistakes, and the 4 connection ports make it easier to add accessories without overcrowding the battery. Dirty glass can make even a spotless vehicle feel neglected, while streaks often become more noticeable in direct sunlight. This ammonia-free glass cleaner is formulated to remove fingerprints, road film, dust, and smudges without leaving residue behind. It's also safe for both factory and aftermarket window tint, making it a versatile choice for cars, trucks, SUVs, and even household windows. Sometimes, better visibility starts with a cleaner piece of glass. A check engine light can leave drivers guessing, but a trip to the repair shop isn't always the only answer. This Bluetooth OBD2 scanner turns your iPhone, Android device, or Windows PC into a powerful diagnostic tool, allowing you to read trouble codes, monitor live engine data, and even clear warning lights. It also provides access to systems like A, B, S, R, S, and TPMS on many supported vehicles, making it especially useful for DIY mechanics and informed car owners. If you leave your RV or trailer unattended, the Kingpin is one of the easiest targets for thieves. This solid steel Kingpin lock helps prevent unauthorized hitching, while making everyday use more convenient thanks to its built-in handle and outward-facing lock cylinder. Its heavy-duty alloy steel body resists tampering, comes with 3 uniquely keyed keys, and even includes a bright warning tag so you won't accidentally drive off with it still installed. Working on a vehicle for an hour can quickly turn into an aching back and sore knees. This rolling mechanic seat is designed to keep you comfortable while staying mobile, thanks to a thick foam-padded cushion and 4 360-degree swivel casters that glide smoothly around the garage. Leaving your RV's expensive electric tongue jack exposed to harsh weather is a quick way to trigger an electrical failure right when you arrive at camp. This heavy-duty cover from Bouge RV shields that vulnerable motorhead using rugged, waterproof 600D Oxford cloth to block out rain, dust, and UV damage. Beyond just weatherproofing, it features integrated side rings that keep your heavy safety chains clipped up off the wet ground, preventing rust before it starts. Greasing heavy equipment by hand can be slow, tiring, and frustrating when clogged fittings refuse to cooperate. This 20-volt cordless grease gun delivers up to 10,000 psi, giving it the power to force grease through stubborn lubrication points with minimal effort. A 42-inch flexible hose reaches difficult locations, while the variable speed trigger lets you control grease flow with greater precision. Standard hitch pins can be removed in seconds, making trailers a tempting target when parked. This locking receiver pin replaces the traditional pin with a solid steel, anti-theft design that helps secure your towing setup. Low-octane fuel can sometimes contribute to engine knock, reduced responsiveness, and less efficient combustion, especially in performance-oriented engines. This 15-ounce Octane Booster is formulated for both fuel-injected and carbureted engines, helping improve the fuel's resistance to pre-ignition. By promoting a cleaner burn, it may also reduce combustion-related deposits and emissions in vehicles not equipped with modern emissions aftertreatment systems. Finding space for bicycles inside a vehicle often means sacrificing passengers or cargo. This 2-bike trunk rack offers a simple alternative with a compact strap-mounted system that fits many sedans, hatchbacks, minivans, and SUVs. Individual securing straps hold each bike in place, while side stabilizing straps help reduce unwanted movement on the road. Once the trip is over, the rack folds flat for convenient storage until the next adventure. Diesel engines can gradually lose efficiency as injector deposits and lower quality fuel begin affecting combustion. A 16-ounce bottle treats up to 400 gallons of diesel, making it practical for regular maintenance. This everyday diesel treatment helps address those issues by cleaning injectors, while boosting cetane by up to 7 points for smoother combustion and improved throttle response. Modern off-road builds often require more electrical accessories than factory wiring was ever designed to handle. This 8-gang controller creates a centralized power hub with support for multiple lighting modes, including toggle, strobe, and momentary activation. A resettable 60-amp circuit breaker and replaceable fuses help protect connected equipment, while the clean wiring layout makes future upgrades much easier. Flat tires, pressure checks, and worn-out rubber are problems every driver knows too well, but the Milan Uptis is rethinking that experience. This connected, rechargeable, sustainable, airless tire eliminates the need for inflation while helping reduce maintenance and unexpected downtime. Designed with a vision for future mobility, it could also prevent up to 2 million tons of tire waste every year by extending tire life and cutting unnecessary replacements. 13. The A-Bus Granite Detecto Smart X8 078. Motorcycle theft can happen in minutes, especially when traditional locks are easy to defeat or inconvenient to carry. The A-Bus Granite Detecto Smart X8 078 combines a heavy-duty alloy steel brake disc lock with smartphone-controlled unlocking, eliminating the need for physical keys. Its integrated 100 decibel alarm reacts to suspicious movement, helping draw immediate attention. Designed for riders who park in public spaces, it blends modern convenience with a strong physical security approach. Heavy tailgates can be awkward to manage, especially when one hand is occupied with tools or cargo. This assist kit introduces a controlled soft open mechanism that prevents the tailgate from dropping freely, reducing impact and unwanted noise. Built with upgraded 1045 steel mounting hardware, it's engineered to withstand repeated daily use while maintaining smooth operation. Installation requires no drilling and uses the truck's existing mounting points, making it a straightforward upgrade for compatible Phone 150 owners. Important moments on the road can disappear in seconds if your dashcam can't capture enough detail. The Wolfbox G900 Pro records in 4K up front and 2.5K at the rear, making it easier to identify vehicles, road signs, and other critical information. Powered by the 8-megapixel Starvis 2 IMX678 sensor, it delivers clearer footage in low-light conditions, while voice control and fast 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi let you manage recordings without taking your attention off the road. Getting stuck in sand or deep mud can quickly turn an off-road adventure into hours of frustration. X-Bull's third-generation recovery traction tracks are designed to give your tires the grip they need to climb back onto solid ground. Made from fiber-reinforced engineering-grade nylon, the board's support loads up to 10 tons while remaining lightweight enough to carry. Their aggressive cross-shaped teeth and ramped entry design help reduce wheel spin, making them a valuable companion for overlanders, campers, and four-wheel drive enthusiasts. A dead battery rarely happens at a convenient time, especially when you're far from help. The Car 80 Super Safe Jump Starter delivers 1000 peak amps, providing enough power to restart 12-volt vehicles with engines up to 6.0-liter gasoline or 4.0-liter diesel. Beyond jump starting, it packs emergency essentials like a window breaker, seatbelt cutter, SOS light, and alarm into one rugged aluminum body. For road trips or daily commuting, it's designed to prepare you for more than just a flat battery. A small exterior upgrade can make daily driving noticeably more comfortable. These rain guards are engineered using vehicle-specific molding to closely match the contours of the Ford Ranger Super Crew, creating a factory-inspired appearance without permanent modifications. The thicker acrylic construction helps reduce wind turbulence, while allowing fresh air into the cabin during light rain or snow. Installation requires no drilling, making it an easy weekend project with practical benefits you'll notice every drive. Parking your vehicle in an unfamiliar area can leave you wondering if it will still be there when you return. The LNKE RCO 108 decibel car alarm system, Upgrade 4.0, adds an extra layer of protection with a 108 decibel siren, a flashing red warning light, and an intelligent three-dimensional vibration sensor with artificial intelligence that helps reduce false alarms. Its magnetic, tool-free installation and 66-foot wireless remote make it easy to secure cars, trucks, or other valuables in just seconds. A pickup truck tailgate can drop faster and harder than expected, making loading and unloading less comfortable and increasing the risk of accidental damage. This tailgate assist system adds a controlled hydraulic motion that slows the descent automatically, eliminating the familiar slam. Built with upgraded 1045 steel brackets using both welded and riveted construction, it's designed for long-term durability. Installation is completely bolt-on, with the included tools, making it a practical upgrade for 2015 through 2026 Ford Phone 150 owners. Dropped calls and weak data signals can quickly turn a road trip into a frustrating experience. The WeBoost Drive Reach helps maintain stronger cellular reception by connecting to distant towers and boosting 5G and 4G LTE signals for multiple devices at once. Compatible with Verizon, AT&T, T-Mobile, and other U.S. carriers, it features a magnetic roof antenna, a maximum gain of 50 decibels, and FCC approval, making it a practical companion for commuters and frequent travelers. Whether you're hauling equipment to a job site or loading gear for a road trip, loose cargo can quickly become a safety concern. This 4-pack tie-down set combines durable polyester webbing with stainless steel ratchet mechanisms to create dependable tension without complicated setup. The coated S-hooks resist weather exposure, while the included soft loops expand your mounting options without scratching valuable equipment. It's a versatile kit that fits easily in a truck, trailer, or SUV, ready whenever the next load needs securing. Dust, pollen, and other airborne particles can quickly make your car feel less comfortable, and the Fresh Air air purifier is built to tackle that problem quietly. It captures 99% of tiny particles and dust, starts automatically when you turn on the vehicle, and also offers a manual mode with 2 fan speeds. Its compact size makes it easy to move between your car, office, or personal workspace. For anyone responsible for multiple vehicles, manually checking their locations can quickly become inefficient. This wired GPS tracker stays powered by the vehicle itself, making it suitable for long-term monitoring without worrying about battery life. Users can choose update intervals of 5, 30, or 60 seconds, depending on how much detail they need. And the companion app supports Android, iOS, and web access. Add anti-theft alerts and route history, and it becomes a practical tool for improving both security and daily operations. Anyone who regularly loads equipment into a pickup knows that repeated climbing can become tiring over time. These rear bumper steps create an easier path into the truck bed, while maintaining a clean factory-style appearance. Their bolt-on design means installation is straightforward, and the carbon steel frame offers the strength needed for everyday use. Because the steps sit close to the bumper, they're less likely to interfere with normal driving, making them a thoughtful accessory for work trucks and personal pickups alike. Outdoor travel often means choosing between carrying extra ice or keeping more food on board. The Bodega Cooler eliminates that compromise with a compressor-based cooling system and a temperature range from -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 68 degrees Fahrenheit, making it suitable for frozen meals, beverages, or fresh ingredients. Operating at only around 40 decibels, it stays remarkably quiet, while its anti-shake design continues working on slopes up to 30 degrees. It's a practical companion for truck drivers, RV travelers, and weekend campers alike. A flat tire can turn an ordinary drive into a stressful delay, especially when there's no spare or roadside assistance nearby. The Slime 50122 Flat Tire Puncture Emergency Kit offers a quick, temporary solution by combining a tire inflator with 14 ounces or 414 milliliters of sealant in about 12 minutes, and just 2 simple steps. It can repair punctures up to 1/4 of an inch without removing the tire or using tools. It's a practical backup for highway drivers until a professional repair can be made. Working under the hood at night usually means juggling a flashlight while trying to fix the problem at the same time. This universal 12-volt LED hood light kit eliminates that hassle by illuminating the entire engine bay whenever the hood is opened. Dual LED strips spread light across both sides of the compartment, while automatic and manual control options let you choose how it operates. For roadside repairs, maintenance, or camping trips, it's a simple upgrade that makes every inspection easier. If you've ever struggled to reach the roof of a truck or SUV while loading cargo, you know how awkward and unsafe balancing on a tire can be. The power-built tire step provides a much more stable solution by hooking directly onto the tire. It adjusts to fit tires up to 13 inches wide, supports up to 300 pounds, and features a steel traction surface that stays grippy even when it's wet or muddy. It's especially useful for contractors, campers, and anyone regularly accessing roof racks or truck beds. Best of all, it folds flat, so it's always easy to keep within reach. Dragging around a bulky pressure washer isn't always practical, especially for quick cleaning jobs. This bang for buck portable intelligent electric pressure washer pump offers a lightweight alternative with a 100-watt, 12-volt motor that automatically starts and stops as needed, delivering up to 160 psi, a flow rate of 1 to 7 liters per minute, and paired with a 21.3-foot PVC hose, it's well suited for washing cars, bikes, patios, gardens, or tackling everyday outdoor projects with less hassle. When every glance away from the road matters, having your phone securely mounted can make driving more comfortable. The Pneumatic Max attaches to compatible metal surfaces or the included adhesive metal disc, making installation flexible across vehicles and workspaces. With a durable billet aluminum frame, a 90-degree tilt, full 360-degree rotation, and magnetic strength rated at up to 90 pounds of pull force, it's built to stay secure through daily commutes and rugged adventures alike. Slide-out cargo tray. Digging through the front of a truck bed can be frustrating, especially when heavy gear is buried behind everything else. This slide-out cargo tray solves that problem by bringing your equipment to you with a smooth pull-out design. Measuring 24 inches wide and over 62 inches long, it provides organized storage while maintaining a slim 4-inch profile that fits beneath most tonneau covers. Built from ultraviolet-resistant high-density polyethylene, it's a practical upgrade for contractors, outdoor enthusiasts, and anyone who values quick access to their gear. Most truck toolboxes block your rearview mirror or devour precious cargo floor space when you need to haul large loads. The innovative undercover swing case avoids this entirely by pivoting out of the way on a heavy-duty hinge. Engineered for 2019 to 2025 Silverado and Sierra models, this compact box handles a 75-pound payload while keeping a slim profile. With its key-lockable lid and specialized organizational tray, your smaller hardware stays sorted and safe from the elements. Outdoor enthusiasts carrying recovery gear will find this highly convenient. It proves that smart organization doesn't have to get in the way of hard work. When a car door won't open after an accident, every second matters. This compact emergency escape tool combines a spring-loaded window breaker with a concealed seatbelt cutter, giving you two critical rescue functions in one device. Its tungsten steel tip activates with about 20 kilograms force of pressure, even underwater, while the hidden stainless steel blade helps prevent accidental cuts. Running out of clean water can quickly turn an outdoor adventure into an uncomfortable experience. The Waterport Weekender solves that by carrying 8 gallons of pressurized water right on your roof rack, giving you an instant rinse station wherever you stop. Its black tank naturally absorbs sunlight to provide warmer water, while the 16-foot coiled hose and high-pressure spray nozzle make washing off mud, sand, or gear fast and convenient. It's a practical companion for campers, overlanders, and beach travelers alike. Professional detailing isn't just about making paint shine. It's about cleaning every surface without causing damage. This 26-piece kit includes soft detailing brushes for delicate interiors, dedicated wheel and tire brushes for stubborn grime, plus stainless steel, brass, and nylon wire brushes for different materials. The variety allows users to match the right brush to each surface instead of relying on one tool for everything. For car enthusiasts, it's a practical way to achieve more consistent cleaning results. Trying to follow GPS on rough roads is frustrating when your phone keeps sliding or vibrating out of place. The Mob Armor Pneumatic Max tackles that problem with an industrial-grade magnetic design capable of delivering up to 90 pounds of holding force. Its billet aluminum body stays lightweight while offering 360-degree rotation and a 90-degree tilt, making it easy to position your screen exactly where you need it. It's especially useful for truck owners, off-road drivers, and anyone who spends long hours behind the wheel. No one ever expects a fire emergency inside a vehicle, but when it happens, what matters most is not panic, it's reaction speed. The emergency fire blanket for car is designed as a compact emergency safety solution, helping drivers quickly control small fires at the very first second before they spread. In terms of specifications, the product is made from high-temperature resistant fiberglass material, with some premium versions featuring an additional silicone fireproof coating. It typically withstands temperatures ranging from 500 degrees Celsius to 1000 degrees Celsius, with some models reaching up to 1200 degrees Celsius. Common sizes include 1 meter by 1 meter, 1.2 meters by 1.2 meters, and 1.8 meters by 1.8 meters, making it suitable for vehicles from sedans to SUVs. In use, it only takes a few seconds to pull it out and cover the fire, instantly suppressing flames by cutting off oxygen. A compact tool, yet one that carries great importance in protecting both lives and property. Being prepared at the right moment is what turns danger into safety on every journey. In the darkness of night or during rainy, challenging roads, safety depends not only on speed, but also on the light ahead. Car lights. The vehicle lighting system act like a second pair of eyes, helping drivers see clearly, react in time, and stay confident on every journey. In terms of specifications, automotive lighting systems typically operate on 12 volts for passenger cars or 24 volts for trucks. Common lighting technologies include halogen, 35 to 55 watts, high-D or xenon, 35 to 55 watts, and LIL, 15 to 45 watts. With LED being the most modern and energy-efficient option, color temperature ranges from 3000 K to 6500 K, producing light from warm yellow to cool white-blue tones. Lifespan also varies significantly. Halogen lasts around 500 to 1000 hours, HID about 2000 to 3000 hours, while LED can reach 20,000 to 50,000 hours of use. Beyond simple illumination, car lights also function as a communication system through brake lights and turn signals. While improving vehicle visibility on the road, it may seem like a small system, but it plays a crucial role in ensuring safety and enhancing the overall driving experience. During long journeys, even a slightly underinflated tire can turn a trip into a risky and interrupted experience. The tire inflator air compressor emerges as a silent lifesaver, allowing you to handle tire pressure issues anytime on the road, without needing to find a gas station or repair shop. In terms of specifications, the device typically operates on 12-volt DC via a car cigarette lighter socket, or rechargeable batteries ranging from 11.1 volts to 18 volts. The maximum pressure usually reaches 100 to 150 psi, about 7 to 10 bar, with a sensor accuracy of around plus or minus 1 to 2 psi. Airflow ranges from 20 to 40 liters per minute, enabling it to inflate a standard car tire in approximately 3 to 8 minutes. A compact device, yet one that delivers significant peace of mind in any roadside emergency. Thank you for watching today's TechNew video. If you find these technological inventions useful, remember to hit the like button and subscribe to see more shocking content. Share your thoughts about these inventions in the comments section below. See you next time.